In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious couscous salad. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cooked couscous, a 1/4 cup of julienne carrots, half a cup of radishes, half a cup of cucumber, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of ginger, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In a bowl, combine together the oil, salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, and lemon juice and mix well. To the couscous, add in the carrots, radishes, and the cucumbers and mix until completely combined. Add in the oil mixture and continue mixing. Cover with plastic wrap. We're going to place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Add the tomatoes to the salad and mix until combined. Our couscous salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.